Pisces Lagna, the second house is Aries, which is a fiery movable sign with a ram as a symbol and Mars as the Lord. It is the first house of the Kala Purusha, which stands for innocence, childlike. So the attitude of the second bhava will be childlike innocence. The family will be comfortable because it is the first house of the Kala Purusha. The family will be comfortable, or the parents will be comfortable because the child will get childlike benefits, is the thought process. This, when Aries becomes the second house, natives generally love to eat. When Aries becomes the second house, generally natives love to eat. And the sun and the moon in the second house, which represents father and mother in the second house, may also pamper the second house qualities of giving good food, good education, good speech, good family would be the thought process. The Mars, which is the Lord of the second house, is in the fifth house but Nicha. So the native may experience ups and downs in his family's fortunes. The natives may experience ups and downs in the family fortunes. With in the Navamsha, I see an aspect, before the Navamsha, I see an aspect of Saturn in the second house, which again tells us that there may have been ups and downs in the family fortunes, which again tells me that there may have been ups and downs in the family fortunes. The Mars in the Amsha is gone to the sixth Amsha. The Mars in the Amsha, the second Lord in the Amsha, has gone to the sixth Amsha. Therefore, again showing us that there may have been ups and downs in the early part of the native's childhood. In the early parts of the native's childhood, sun and moon definitely have protected the early part of the native's childhood, but flow of money, which is the later part of the childhood, which is governed by Mars, is Nicha. The flow of money, which is aspected by Saturn, again shows ups and downs. In the Navamsha, the Mars going to the sixth house again shows struggle to earn, to have a flow of wealth, to have a flow of money, would be the answer to this Pisces second bhava. Thank you. Have a good day.